You can be seated. We got a question from the jury that I thought was really easy to answer. I guess I don't know if there's an agreement about that, but if you don't agree, then we're going to decide on the record how to answer it. The question is whether the standard jury instruction 16.10 and 16.13 are different. But it says a 16.10 and 16.13, two different ways that we can conclude that involuntary manslaughter, or a 16.13 a support to 16.10. So I guess I would say the answer to the first question, isn't it? Yes.
It is, Judge, and I would just ask that the court reread 20.30a, which clearly articulates that. So I think that's why it wasn't just a yes or no response, because I think this instruction 20.30a is right on point to the question.
Okay, so can I answer the first question yes?
Yes, Judge.
And then say please refer to 20.30a unanimity.
Yes, Judge.
Your Honor, I'm not sure. I'm trying to find 20.30a.
It's right between 16.13 and 16.10. It's the one that talks about alternative theories.
Okay, we'll just sit there.
It's a non-standard because it's adapted from a civil jury instruction.
I'm sorry,
20.30a, it's a non-standard jury instruction. Both sides agree to it. It's a unanimity instruction.
Sorry, Judge, I'm trying to find. Okay. Okay, I believe the court is correct. However, the way I read the question is that the jury is confused, obviously, about there being two ways to prove the charge. When they ask about one instruction supporting another, I believe that they should reread 20.30a, and then the one theory of the prosecution is 16.13, which describes the legal duty. I believe the second theory by the prosecution is 16.10, which describes the theory. Okay, but I think what supports 16.10 is the definition in 16.18. So when this jury is asking for a question about support, I believe the confusion lies in the fact that
they didn't ask me that.
Well, when they say, I don't see how 20.3a clears up the question they're asking. I believe the jury needs to be instructed to read 20.3a, and then they need to consider 16.13 or 16.10, and in doing 16.10, understand the definition of gross negligence is in 16.18. That's what the defense believes.
They didn't ask that, Judge, and it's not up to us to guess what they're thinking or not. The answer to the question, the first question is clearly yes, and 20.30a is clearly on point. So,
yeah, the answer is yes, and then I'm going to say please refer to 20.30a. Right unanimity. And I'm also going to say, please consider all instructions as a whole.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, I'm going to send this note in. All right.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
All right.